There are two ways to open the puzzle box, and in better display the opening steps. We mark A, B, C on the box. Firstly, place the box sideways on palm. Then move board A. Turn the box upside down. Beat the board B on palm and middle board slides. Then box is opened. Slide the middle board to lock the box. Move board A firstly. Then turn down the box and beat side C. Box is also opened. If restore board A in advance, before you restore the middle board, puzzle box can't be locked successfully. So you should move the board firstly and then slide the middle board to lock the puzzle box.